to my YouTube channel Hira's Ways. Today I'm going to talk about Samsung Galaxy S20FE model phone. If you like this video, give thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon. Galaxy S20FE was recently released in the market. FE is nothing but a fan edition. I bought this for 50,000 in Amazon. Let me tell you some of the general features of this phone in this video. S20 comes with Android operating system and Exynos processor. This model supports 4G network. It is water resistant and comes with IP68 code. It also has fingerprint sensor. They have provided dual SIM slot. Nano SIM fits in the slot. This phone feels great in hand, but it is slightly heavier. That is, its weight is 190 grams. Its screen size is 6.5 inches and the display is made up of Super AMOLED LED screen. The backside material is made up of plastic. This color is cloud lavender and in the edges also they have given this pink shade. It has 8GB RAM and 128GB internal memory. It comes with a triple lens of 32 megapixel. As there are many features in the camera, I will make a separate video for that and we'll discuss in that video. They have given inbuilt battery. Its capacity is 4500 mAh. They have also provided wireless charging option. C-type slot is provided for charging. The drawback that I found in this phone are that it gets warmed up quickly. They haven't given any fast charger, though they have provided wireless charging option. Headphones are also not provided with this. Other than that, the display is very great and it is worthy to buy for this much rate. The link of this phone in this description box. With this, I conclude this video. If you have any doubts, leave it in the comment. Do share this video with your friends. See you in another video. Bye.